That little sign's pretty accurate, except when it's not. But moving on, pull out here, we're into the office slash small turning area. And to the left here we have my sharpening area, and then over yonder some storage. More of my handy dandy little drawers that are all over the place. I've got something in the order of 150 drawers in here. I've got to have those labels in order to remember where I put things. Yes, that's a toaster oven, but it's actually not for cooking food. It's actually for drying small pieces of wood. That's the small turning area. And of course we have my lovely camera work here. Moving on, it actually used to be a recliner and a reading light and everything else there, and when I started doing more turning and getting more into some of the smaller stuff, using the big lathe for that didn't seem like such a great idea. So I got rid of the chair and built a storage area for the small parts, and slowly but surely got all the goodies I needed to be able to have just a small area for making them, including even cutting my blanks. That way I don't even have to crank up the lights in the main shop if all I'm going to do is turn some pens or bottle stoppers or other small items like that. So it saves me some money and saves the mess in the main shop, plus at the same time I can have some flat work going out in the main shop, and if I need to take a break from that and put my mind on something else, I can come in here and do some turning. I have a few pen blanks. And although I do have a cable box there, I never did bother to hook it up. Basically, I use the TV for my video library. Pick up nifty little goodies every once in a while, learn some new things. And if I have friends come over that wants to watch one of the videos, they can kick back, relax, and watch videos on there. I do have my own power sub panel out here. I have 40 circuit breakers for this shop, so there's very little chance of overloading anything. One of the several fire extinguishers, and the all-important first aid kit, which I'm happy to say that I've only opened twice in about the last 5 years. I try to do things pretty carefully around here and not damage myself. I do a good enough job of that out with my regular job repairing swimming pools and hot tubs. So I do a pretty good job of taking care of me in here. The back of my handy dandy bookshelf that is actually full to the brim. And my desk area, to where I do all sorts of stuff. And basically Yosemite Sam there pretty much says it all. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Don't bother whining about it. You're not going to get anywhere. You don't have to like everything that I do. I don't like everything I do, and sometimes I do things custom for people. That's just for them. I do have internet access and use it quite frequently out here. And that pretty much wraps up the shop tour. Hopefully I didn't make you too ill with my camera work. but that you got to see what you wanted to see. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me. I'm not hard to find. Everybody have a great day.